Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with safety and speed. Make sure the engine is completely cool, then disconnect the negative battery terminal so you can work without risking electronics. Cover the air intake, exposed sensors, and fuse box with plastic bags and tape. This is why you won't short anything. Remove leaves and loose debris by hand or compressed air, then spray an engine-safe degreaser onto oil-soaked areas and grime. Once done, let it dwell 5–10 minutes so the cleaner breaks down grease before you agitate. Now you move into the detailed cleaning. Take a soft nylon brush and scrub valve covers, manifolds, and tight crevices to lift soaked grime. Use a small toothbrush for narrow gaps near sensors. Rinse with a low-pressure hose or spray bottle. High pressure can force water into connectors, so keep the nozzle wide and gentle. If heavy oil remains, repeat the degreaser and brush steps, targeting stubborn spots. As you rinse, make sure runoff drains away from electrical boxes and the alternator area to finish by thoroughly drying. Use microfiber towels first, then compressed air to blow water from seams and connectors so moisture doesn't linger. Remove all protective plastic, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and start the engine for several minutes to run off any trapped water. Make sure there are no leaks or warning lights. Once warm and dry, apply a light silicone protectant to rubber hoses. If you see rough idle or electrical faults, immediately dry suspect connectors, reseal them, and clear codes after confirming the area is fully dry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.